Using Zapper with wristbands. Before turning the unit on, connect your accessories securely to the device. Make sure the cable is fully inserted into the appropriate port. A solid connection helps ensure proper operation. Do not pull the cables from the gray part, only from the black plastic parts. Each cable is interchangeable. The color does not matter. The copper tubes and the wristbands connect to the female snaps from the cables, the flat snaps. Once everything is connected, you're ready to power on your Synchro Zap. In our next video, we'll explain each operating mode and show you how to select the one you want to use. Before putting on the wristbands, lightly moisten the conductive side using ordinary tap water. Avoid using deionized water as it does not conduct as effectively. The wristbands should be damp, not dripping wet. Next, connect the coiled cords to each wristband using the snap connectors. Gently tug on the connection to confirm it is secure before beginning your session. Place the conductive side of each wristband directly against bare skin. Fasten the wristbands securely so they maintain good contact, but avoid tightening them excessively. A snug fit is all that's needed. Tightening the wristbands more does not improve performance and should never restrict blood circulation. For the best conductivity, we recommend wearing the wristbands around your forearms, where they make contact with a larger surface area of skin. The lower calves are also an excellent option. The wristbands may also be worn around the ankles or feet if desired. You can also alternate the placement between sessions. For example, wear one wristband on your right forearm and the other on your left calf, or vice versa. After your session is complete, allow the wristbands to dry completely before storing them. Proper drying helps keep the conductive material in good condition for future use. Once your accessories are connected, positioned comfortably, and the device is configured according to the user manual, you're ready to begin your session. In the next video, we'll walk through selecting the operating mode and starting your Synchro Zap.